In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your Snapchat history. So that means everything you've ever done on Snapchat, from messages, who you added, who you blocked, with who you snapped. I mean, like literally everything. So what you want to do is open up Snapchat, go to your profile, and then go to your settings. From there, go all the way to the down until you see My Data, which is right above the big support. So click on My Data. From here, you need to log in, and once you log in, you are going to see information as so. So you will be able to see name, username, birthday, mobile number, email, Bitmoji, everything. And if you scroll a bit down, then you can select which of these things you actually want to receive and then submit request. Once you submit a request, you will get a message like, we received your request, which means that Snapchat will send you what you have done in the past in Snapchat via zip file on your phone or your email address, depending on what you choose, but most likely on your email address. And that's basically it. So under My Data, and you will get everything. I know that these settings changes a lot. It used to be under Account Actions, right somewhere where Logout was, but now it's under Privacy Controls, My Data. So yeah, if this video helped you out, leave a comment, like, subscribe. If I didn't answer your question, please let me know down in the comments so I can help you out. Bye bye.